Dad said there's 6 roosters out here, so I'm going to take some grain out. They'll probably run off. There they are down there. Let's see what happens. Oh, one just flew off. They all flew off. Well, I guess I'll go take the grain out and see if they come back. Well, we do have a little bird waiting for some food here. A little crown sparrow. And the other birds are up in the tree waiting for their food. They said, we want some. Oh yeah, it's a little crown sparrow. Hi, little guy. Well, here come all the little birds. Aw. The black-headed ones are juncos. The stripe-headed one is a crown sparrow. They've never let me come this close before. There's like 20 of them right here. Cool. Well, you guys have a nice breakfast. Eat it up before those pheasants and quail get back. Well, by the time I got back in the house, a pheasant appeared. That is not Rooster. I don't think so. He looks smaller than Rooster. But his feathers are hanging down in the back, kind of like Rooster's. And all the little birds are like, we want some too. Oh, and Muffy wants a little bird. There she goes. I think that pheasant was Rooster Cogburn because he had that sloping back tail feather like Rooster has. So that is probably the last video I did get of Rooster because we have not seen him again. I think the last time that we saw Rooster, as well as all the other pheasants, was the beginning or middle of January 2022. The main predator, we think, has been hawks. In fact, Dad found a fresh kill right out here in the orchard, and then the pheasant was still warm. We have seen only 1 or 2 male pheasants around the house, whereas you saw that one group of 7 fly off. Just the other day I did see a female pheasant as well. So hopefully there's still a bunch out there, and we'll see. So as my last tribute to our wonderful friend Rooster Cogburn, I put up these pictures that I took in November 2021. I'm so glad that I got these because they're my best pictures of Rooster. He had his full winter plumage and just sitting there in the sun so you could see all the colors of his feathers. And is that an eyelid? At the end of the video, I'll put up a playlist of all the other Rooster videos, and you can see how he has changed from August up until November. I'll be having a lot of other videos with birds in it, and we do have that one pheasant that always comes near the house. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, Rooster. You were a gift from God. Don't forget to hit that like button, and please subscribe if you haven't already to see some more nature videos.